Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. In today's video, we are going to discuss about Nifty, Bank Nifty, and I'm going to give you one stock for buy and one stock for sell for tomorrow trading session. That would be on 24th of Jan, friends. Important disclaimer, 25th day after tomorrow is a expiry. It is not on 26th because 26th is a, yes, you know what it is. Anyways, coming to our previous stocks, today we had given M&M for a buy. You see this was the channel drawn. I also gave you a target and you see straight up. Okay, this was a wonderful rally that we could capture. And to give you an update, this was like if you have taken a call of 1320 M&M, that was at trading around 7 rupees. Okay, 8 rupees, consider it. It doubled, tripled, and then it came down. So 1 lakh invested here would have straight become 3 lakhs. See, such things happen once in a while. We identify such things once in a while. In spite of giving perfect stocks, such things cannot happen every day, friends. But don't worry, we will be looking forward for such stocks again. And I was asked a question about LT. So remember, LT was given last week. So this was like 8 rupees. Okay, LT 2200 call option, 8 rupees, it became 80, friends. Okay, so the kind of momentum that this showed, 10 times almost. Again, all this is on calculator. It is humanly impossible for someone to capture the entire momentum. But yes, even if you are able to capture 50% of this momentum, that's well enough, friends. Coming to the stock, sell stock that was given was Tata Consumer. You can see 915 candle itself straight down to our target, which was here. Okay, from here to here is what we were expecting. Straight down, it retraced again till 61.8 levels and again fall. 61.8 was not touched. Okay, you could have seen a clear engulfing here, doji candle here, and shorted for 1:1.5 or 1:2 target and easily made money here also. So net all the stocks performed well. We talk about Bank Nifty for a breakout, and that exactly happened. There was a channel and a breakout happened and an upward momentum happened. So coming back, if you have still not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you would not be missing on any updates that I am giving on the channel, friends. Also, if you liked this performance that M&M gave today, 1 rupee became 3 rupees and last week LT8 became 80. Hit that like button, friends. That is one way in which the video or the content that is created is shared with a wider audience. I hope you understood that. Coming to our analysis for Nifty and Nifty for today. Nifty, friends, it gave a gap up here. Okay, went straight up. It broke this particular resistance zone. Okay, I'll just draw it for you. So this resistance zone was clearly broken. It went ahead and did the gap filling. Okay, and then it could not sustain that level, so it came down, friends. Okay, note it did not touch the low, day low, but it reversed from there again and started going upwards. At this point, there was a clear trend line break also that was noticed and a retest kind of a level. There's quite possibility that it will continue its journey upwards tomorrow. How would we create positions? Good question. See, until and unless it crosses this particular trend line and retests it, there is no point in buying options, friends. Simple reason, option will continue to lose the premium. So if you are an option seller, you can go ahead and sell at this levels or this levels. Wait for the breakout. Finally, somewhere here, if you see a breakout, you will see a very good profit. But option buyers should ideally wait for a clear-cut breakout and a retest and then create buy positions when it is crossing the high. That's when your option will start accumulating good premium. Our targets would be this one, first target, followed by this one. Will this happen in one day? 2 days from expiry, quite possible it will happen tomorrow or day after tomorrow. But we would not keep such big targets for one day. We can simply keep this target and book our profits, friends. Talking negative about the same situation, if I draw a simple trend line here, okay, we can see that a test has happened 1, 2, 3 times already. So now if it starts coming down, first thing that would happen is it would break this trend line. Okay, this is a small trend line. You can see there was a wick which was here as well. There was 1, 2, 3 attempts, possibly fourth attempt. If it breaks it, we can create sell positions here at a retest. Straight this target first. If in case it crosses this and then it's a retest, then we can create targets for this level, and finally this level. I don't think this will happen anyways. But then yes, that's how we would be creating positions in Nifty. Now, important point first, friends. If we are creating positions here again, just like I told here, if you are creating positions here, the chances of you being a put buyer, being in profit would be very less. Simple. Why? See, this example, I'm just putting this area is your resistance zone. Okay, you can see here multiple times it has been rejected from the same zone. Okay, similarly, this area, okay, this is your support zone. Okay, so until and unless this resistance zone is crossed or support zone is crossed and retested, or resistance zone is crossed and retested, there will not be much of money or much of premium that would be accumulated in Nifty or Bank Nifty, both, friends. So if it stays within this area, okay, that's when even if you buy at this level and sell at this level, there will be hardly anything that you would be making. Let me make it very clear. Coming to our analysis for Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty, friends, what happened is there was a clear gap up. And after the gap up, we can see that it has broken this resistance zone. Okay. This is your resistance zone. I'll just draw a horizontal line for the resistance zone. This is what it is. Okay. Let's darken it so that it is visible. Okay. Once this resistance zone was broken, okay, straight upwards, and then there was a kind of a downward channel created. It came down till this resistance zone. It touched the day low, almost touched this candle. You can see it here, and then continued journey upwards. What do we see here? We also see something called a head and shoulder pattern, inverted. Okay, this is your head and shoulder pattern. There was an attempt to break out, but that failed, and it continued to be sideways throughout the day after that. Okay, now this head and shoulder pattern would be clear if I move to 1 minute chart. I hope you can see now. After that, it became sideways. And while it was sideways, if I zoom a little more, now tell me what is this pattern, friends? Okay, and still again it is sideways. It went ahead and ate the stop loss for this area again. Now the possibility of it going upwards is again high. Simple reason, friends. It is in the verge of a breakout, but because of multiple tests that happened and there was no time in the end of the day, that's why it did not go upwards. Now, here I would like to point out one thing. Whenever Nifty or Bank Nifty is giving a breakout kind of a situation early in the morning and staying there, again a breakout and staying there. Okay, this is something like a island. Okay, so that's what is forming here. And in the past, there were islands like that were formed till the top, friends. Does that mean that we are going to go and hit the top? No, not really. We would not be keeping such big targets. But yes, we can create buy positions at this particular breakout. I'll just draw the breakout for you like this. Okay. At this breakout is what we can create buy positions for the top as the target. Okay. This could be the target 42,975 area. Talking negative about it. Now, see friends, if I draw a simple resistance line here, okay, you can see that this resistance line is quite far. So we can even create buy positions when we are touching this resistance line, friends. So we are still bullish on Bank Nifty. We create a buy position with a 60-70 points stop loss. We can easily achieve 100 or 120 points upwards, friends. Now, with all these reasons, I am positive on both Nifty and Bank Nifty. However, just to keep you posted, I'm keeping this sell angle ready just in case there is a sudden downward momentum coming in. I would like to share. One second. So as of now, we can see that global Dow is positive 250 points. This is positive, so we can easily expect an upward momentum as we rightly expected. Coming to the buy stock for the day, that would be HDFC Bank. Why? Simple, friends. Every morning it's creating a good upward momentum followed by a sideward day. Again upward momentum and a sideward day. Upward momentum, sideways. Upward momentum, sideways. Now, point to be noted here is first day. If you consider this as your first, or this can be your first day, momentum was little on a positive side. Second day it was very big momentum. Third day it was comparative smaller momentum. Fourth day another little more momentum that we could see upwards. However, we can see that the momentum is always positive. Now we are coming to the next day where we can expect an opening here and upward momentum till this area. What is this area? This is the recent top that it has made here. So we can expect that kind of a target here in HDFC Bank. Okay, coming to Fibo, we can clearly see that if I draw Fibo from the recent bottom to the recent top to the bottom, it has already crossed the last retracement level also. So the chances of it touching the top would be the highest. Clear? Talking negative? No. See, just in case you see it is taking support exactly at the trend line and going upwards, friends. So it has already come to the trend line. Immediately a support will be taken and it will go upwards for this target. Coming to the sell stock for the day. Sell stock for the day would be Bajaj Finserv. You can see it is in continual downtrend. Now, important point here is if I draw this trend line here, we can see that it has clearly broken and sustained this levels. What can happen next? It will go ahead and retest it somewhere here. So we will be creating sell position somewhere here, just in case we see a gap up. Okay, somewhere here also we can create sell positions. Why? Because this itself is a resistance zone. Second reason, if I draw a Fibo from the recent top to the recent bottom, that is from here till here, you can see that if it is opening somewhere here, opening at our favorite zone or favorite level, which is the 38.2 level, from where the chances of going down is the highest. So we would create sell positions here for first target, this resistance, this support zone, second target, this one, and final target at this area, which is 1324. First target is 1334, 1332 and 1324, friends. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, please hit the like button Also share it with your friends, family members, basically anyone who is looking forward to make money from stock market, friends. Thanks for watching and wish you a profitable tomorrow.